These are the new second generation AirPods Pro, and with this new version, Apple added a ton of new features. Inside of the box, we have the new battery case. It's got the same size and color, but there's now a lanyard loop on the right side, and then at the bottom, we get a speaker. This will alert you for things like low battery and can help you find your AirPods if you lose them. Inside of the case, of course, we have the new earbuds. You can now slide your finger across the stem to adjust the volume. Apple has made some pretty big claims about what these new AirPods can do. The biggest one is that the noise cancellation is 2 times better than before. Now, in terms of the sound quality, to my ear, when I did a blind test against the older AirPods Pro, I immediately knew which one was which, with the second gen just having deeper and richer bass. The last big claim Apple made with these is regarding the battery life, with Apple saying that the earbuds themselves last 2 hours longer than before, so up to 6 hours compared to 4, and the combined battery life with the case is now up to 30 hours compared to just 24.